Greetings, I am Ebony with Feast Time Food Corral. We would like to welcome you to the Feast Time Food Corral. Feast Time Food Corral is a one-stop food truck location featuring and celebrating local foods and vendors of all cultural diversity. Food corrals are a fun, family-friendly place serving up the communities with some amazing food. Park Forest villagers have wanted and are excited to partner in venture of vast food options for their community by joining a partnership with Feast Time Food Corral located downtown Park Forest. Each truck will offer their own specialties, giving patrons an unprecedented experience to indulge in different foods or sample a new twist on an old favorite. Food trucks that partner with food truck corrals can on average earn 40 to 60% higher profit margins in a corral membership rather than working independently. Becoming a Feast Time Food Corral member will afford the listed amenities based on your membership selection with Feast Time Food Corral. A required water source and address. A designated area assigned to your truck regardless of operational days and hours. Garbage removal services. Scheduled use of the commercial kitchen. Secured limited supply storage space. Limited assigned refrigeration space. Use of stocked kitchen utensils. Early scheduled kitchen access during village special events. Featured daily advertising on Feast Time Food Corral webpage and park marquee. South suburbanites spend a significant amount of their income on dining out. The village of Park Forest is no exception. Villagers come out and support local business and events. Feast Time Food Corral is an inviting family-friendly and date-friendly environment that welcomes people of all ages. And most importantly for our members, people of all taste buds. Review one of our membership packages to join Feast Time Food Corral for a great summer and fall season of business with us. To join us in making great revenue and gaining new customer sources, go to feasttimefoodcorral.com to become a member. Thank you.